You have a boiler in your home, it probably looks something like this here. This is a typical domestic hot water boiler that operates off of number 2 fuel oil. It happens to be a System 2000, which is one of the most efficient boilers on the market today. But all boilers, whether they operate on gas or fuel oil, require oxygen, or what we refer to as air, to operate. This particular configuration has an external air source whereby the air comes from the outside of the home to feed the boiler. Typically, when plumbers put boilers in, they avoid that step, and this makes it a lot easier for the installation. But unfortunately, it's not better for the homeowner. If you do not have an external air supply to your boiler, the boiler takes its air from the surrounding air, typically from the basement, pretty close to the basement floor. As a result, it sucks in a lot of dirt and dust from the basement, which gets ingested into the air system, and eventually a lot of it gets burnt within the boiler itself. It is much more efficient for the boiler to have an external air source. If your boiler does not have an external air source, it is a very easy do-it-yourself project to install one. All it takes is a 3-inch piece of PVC pipe and a half a dozen 90-degree fittings to bring air from most locations from the outside to your boiler. The external air supply is ducted through these 3-inch tubes and 90-degree fittings to the bottom of the containment area for the boiler itself. It enters the containment area in the bottom, whereby the boiler sucks in the air from the outside to feed the burner supply. That makes it a much more efficient operation rather than a boiler that takes its air from the basement floor, so to speak. And then once the containment area is in place, along with the external air supply, it makes the boiler much quieter in terms of operation. If your boiler, whether it be oil or gas, does not have an external air supply similar to this here, I strongly recommend you install one as a do-it-yourself project. For more information on do-it-yourself home improvements, take a look at our website at Do-It-Yourself Home Improvement Plus.